Looking to elevate your indoor or outdoor space with some greenery? Hanging planters are the perfect way to add charm, creativity, and a splash of life to your decor. Ready to get your hands dirty and bring your green thumb to new heights? Let's dive into these 25 creative hanging planter ideas that dyers will love to build. Handmade wooden frame with succulents. Bring a touch of rustic charm to your home by crafting a wooden frame that holds small succulent pots. The frame can be suspended by durable jute ropes, creating a stunning display perfect for a sunlit window. Succulents thrive in bright light, making this idea both practical and visually appealing. Use lightweight pots to ensure the jute ropes hold the weight securely, and consider arranging the succulents in varying shades of green for added depth and contrast. Sleek ceramic planters with cascading greenery. For a sleek, modern vibe, suspend white ceramic planters with metal chains in your living room. Cascading ivy and ferns bring life to the minimalist design, creating a lush and inviting atmosphere. To keep the planters looking pristine, choose low-maintenance plants that require minimal watering. The metal chains add a contemporary touch, ensuring that the setup remains both stylish and functional while making plant care a breeze. Wickered baskets overflowing with petunias. Add a touch of countryside charm to your porch with wicker baskets brimming with vibrant petunias and trailing vines. These baskets create a natural, colorful focal point that brightens any outdoor space. To keep the plants thriving, line the baskets with coconut coir, which helps retain moisture while adding to the rustic aesthetic. Position the baskets where they can catch plenty of sunlight, ensuring the petunias bloom in full splendor. Tiered black iron stand with tropical plants. Transform a corner of your home into a green haven with a tiered black iron stand holding multiple hanging planters. Each level can be filled with tropical plants, creating a layer and dynamic display. By grouping plants with similar light and water needs, you can simplify maintenance while ensuring the greenery stays lush. This setup works especially well in cozy spaces, where the vertical design maximizes the impact of your indoor garden. Colorful planters, a wooden pergola. Enhance your outdoor space by hanging colorful planters filled with flowers and herbs from a wooden pergola. The natural sunlight will keep the blooms vibrant, while the colors add a playful touch to your patio or garden. Mixing bright flowers, like marigolds, with fragrant herbs such as basil and lavender creates a delightful sensory experience. Secure the planters with strong hooks to withstand the elements and keep them in place. Pallet hanging planter wall for herbs. Repurpose an old wooden pallet into a vertical herb garden that combines functionality with charm. Attach small pots of rosemary, thyme, and mint to the pallet, creating a green feature wall for your backyard. For added character, use chalkboard paint to label each herb, making it easy to identify and adding a rustic touch. Position the pallet in a sunny spot to encourage robust growth and keep your kitchen stocked with fresh ingredients. Stock kitchen supplies. Ladder hanging planter with mason jars. Turn a wooden ladder into a creative hanging planter by suspending mason jars filled with fresh herbs and flowers. This rustic display works beautifully in kitchens or gardens, offering both visual appeal and functionality. Drill small holes in the mason jar lids to ensure proper airflow, helping your plants stay healthy. Lean the ladder against a wall or secure it for stability, and enjoy the layered charm it brings to your space. Glass globe succulent planters. Add a modern touch to your home with glass globes suspended by thin wires. Fill each globe with small succulents and decorative white pebbles for an elegant yet minimalist look. To keep your succulents thriving, use a spray bottle for watering, ensuring you don't oversaturate the plants. Hang the globes near a window for optimal light, and consider grouping them at different heights to create a dynamic visual effect. Tiered basket wooden stand. Craft a wooden stand featuring tiered baskets, each brimming with blooming flowers, to serve as a striking centerpiece for your garden. Choose weather-resistant wood and apply a clear sealant to protect it from the elements. The cascading floral display adds color and charm to any space, and the tiers make it easy to care for multiple plants in one area. Place the stand in a sunny spot for maximum impact. Vintage-style metal baskets on a wall. Give your outdoor or indoor wall a vintage makeover by hanging metal baskets filled with trailing plants like pothos. Attach the baskets to vintage-style brackets on a brick wall for an old-world charm. To create a dramatic cascading effect, choose trailing plants that grow lush and long. The setup is perfect for adding greenery to unused wall space while keeping plants off the ground and within easy reach. Macrame hangers with ceramic pots bring boho vibes into your living space with handmade macrame hangers cradling colorful ceramic pots. The natural textures of the macrame paired beautifully with trailing ivy or pothos, creating a relaxing and artistic atmosphere. Choose vibrant pots to contrast with the neutral tones of the macrame, adding a splash of color. Hang the planters at varying heights to create depth and visual interest in your boho-inspired decor. Balcony railing planter boxes maximize the use of your balcony space with compact hanging planter boxes filled with bright marigolds and petunias. Secure the boxes tightly to the railing with zip ties to prevent movement during windy days. This setup not only adds color but also makes efficient use of limited space, turning your balcony into a cheerful garden retreat. Position the boxes to catch plenty of sunlight for vibrant blooms. Wall-mounted rack with cacti. Create a sleek and modern living room display with a wall-mounted rack featuring hanging planters filled with various cacti and succulents. The clean lines of the rack complement the minimalist design, while the plants add texture and life. Use cactus soil for optimal drainage and arrange the planters in asymmetrical pattern for a contemporary look. This idea is perfect for adding greenery without cluttering your floor space. Vertical wooden frame with flower rows. Transform a vertical wooden frame into a hanging garden masterpiece by attaching rows of planters filled with vibrant flowers and greenery. This setup brings color and life to your backyard while using minimal ground space. Rotate the plants seasonally to keep the display fresh and dynamic. Secure the frame with strong brackets to ensure stability, and choose flowers in complementary colors for a harmonious and eye-catching arrangement. Oversized planters on a pergola. Suspend oversized planters from a pergola, filling them with colorful petunias and cascading ivy for a bold and beautiful garden feature. The larger planters make a striking statement, drawing attention to your outdoor space. Use durable hooks and chains to support the planters and ensure they are positioned to receive ample sunlight. For added drama, mix plants with varying heights and textures to create a lush, layered effect. Delicate glass globes with sand. Add an airy elegance to your decor by hanging delicate glass globes filled with small succulents and decorative sand. The globes create the light, floating effect that works well in any room. To add variety, use colored sand or tiny pebbles in different shades. Hang the globes at staggered heights for a whimsical look, and ensure they're in a well-lit area to keep the succulents healthy without overcrowding the space. Herb planters in a kitchen. Enhance your culinary space by hanging small planters filled with fresh herbs like basil, parsley, and thyme from a wooden rod in your kitchen. This setup not only adds greenery, but also provides easy access to fresh ingredients for your cooking. Position the rod near a window to give the herbs the sunlight they need to thrive. Secure the planters firmly and water them regularly to ensure a thriving mini garden. Upcycled tin can planters. Give old tin cans a new purpose by turning them into cheerful hanging planters. Paint the cans in bright colors to make them pop, and fill them with daisies or other vibrant flowers. Drill drainage holes in the bottom of each can to prevent waterlogging, and hang them with sturdy cords or wires. This eco-friendly project is a fun and affordable way to add charm to your garden or balcony. Woven baskets with tropical plants. Create a lush tropical vibe by hanging woven baskets filled with vibrant plants like orchids or bromeliads. Arrange the baskets in a cluster for a dramatic effect and choose plants with bold colors and interesting textures. The natural fibers of the baskets complement the tropical greenery, making this setup ideal for a patio or sunroom. Use strong hooks to secure the baskets and mist the plants regularly to maintain humidity. Sleek ceramic planters with air purify plants. Boost the air quality in your home with a trio of sleek ceramic planters filled with air-purified plants. Hang them in a modern apartment for a stylish yet functional display. Opt for plants like snake plants or pothos, which are known for their ability to filter toxins from the air. The clean lines of the ceramic planters pair well with minimalist decor, making the setup both attractive and beneficial for your health. Wooden shelves with hanging planters combine storage and greenery by building wooden shelves with attached hanging planters. Display a variety of succulents and trailing vines for a dynamic and textured look. Adjustable brackets allow you to customize the height and arrangement, making this project versatile for any room. Use planters in different sizes to create visual interest, and position the shelves near a light source to keep your plants thriving. Pergola with hanging geraniums. Add a touch of seasonal flair to your outdoor decor by adorning a pergola with hanging planters filled with blooming geraniums. The vibrant blooms are perfect for summer gatherings, creating a festive and inviting atmosphere. Deadhead the flowers regularly to encourage new growth and keep the planters looking fresh. Choose sturdy hooks for hanging and arrange the planters at varying heights to create a layered effect. Mason jar flower hangers. Turn mason jars into charming hanging planters by attaching wire hangers and filling them with soil and vibrant flowers. This simple yet beautiful project works well for both indoor and outdoor spaces. Secure the wire tightly around the jar's neck to ensure stability, and hang them from a wooden beam or rod. Choose flowers in complementary colors to create a cohesive and eye-catching display. White planters with black cords. For a minimalist look, hang simple white ceramic planters with black cords against a white wall. Fill them with small succulents to add greenery without overwhelming the space. The contrast between the black cords and white planters creates a sleek, modern aesthetic. Use plants with vibrant green hues to enhance the visual impact, and position the planters in a well-lit area to keep them thriving. Metal stand with lush greenery. Elevate your plant game with a sleek metal stand that holds multiple hanging planters at different heights. Fill the planters with lush greenery, such as ferns or pothos, to create a striking vertical display. The varying heights add depth and dimension to the arrangement, making it a centerpiece in any room. Choose plants with contrasting leaf shapes for added visual interest, and keep the setup near natural light to maintain its vibrant appeal. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content about creating a beautiful and positive home, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy planting and may your homes be filled with good fortune. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.